Welcome to Embedded World in Nuremberg. I'm here at the booth of PLS and I'm together with Jens Braunes. Jens, would you please first of all introduce yourself briefly and your company?
So I'm Jens Braunes, I'm Product Marketing Manager with PLS, and PLS is a tool vendor for debug, trace and test tools.
And what have you got on show here on Embedded World?
So it's all about debugging, tracing and testing. We show our new version of the UDE, which is the Universal Debug Engine, the UDE 2025. And we show at our booth the complete range of software development, starting from development on the pre-silicon phase. That means based on simulators. For example, we have two demos. One is the Infineon Automotive RISC-V prototype, and the second one is the virtual model of the Bosch GTM, and that is running on a simulator called CoSite from Cosida Technologies, which is our partner. And then, of course, we have a lot of demos based on real hardware, multi-core systems, microcontrollers, embedded processors from various vendors like Infineon, ST, NXP, Renesas. We have also widened our support for new microcontrollers, also from Chinese vendors like the THA6 series from Tongsing Micro, which is a ACLD Cortex R52 microcontroller. And for all these, we provide support for multi-core debugging, for real multi-core debugging with our UDE in one user interface. And then we have, of course, a hot spot or a focus on trace. That means using non-intrusive methods to get the runtime behavior into the tool of the system to analyze the timing, for example. For that, we have also our hardware support, our Universal Access device family with extension for trace, like our high-end device, the Serial TracePod 100G, that allows you to observe the runtime behavior with a bandwidth of up to 100 gigabit per second for recording the trace information. And based on these trace information, we can do the runtime measurement of runtime in the tool itself, but we have also the possibility to export the information to other tools. As an example, we have developed a trace based on the RT standard for AUTOSAR. So, for example, the Microsoft from Vector AUTOSAR system can be traced and can be exported to trace information to the Vector TA tools for deeper timing analysis.
So, and what are the major arguments or major benefits for a customer using your tool UDE?
Okay, so our philosophy is to provide a very easy to use and convenient tool to the users. So our users really appreciate how simple it is to get started with a new project. We have one addition in UDE which seems to be only a small thing but has a great effect, in my opinion. It is a new start screen. So it allows you to get access to the most recent workspaces you used, but you can also start from here a new debugger session from scratch. And for that we have pre-defined configurations for all the systems we provide, even if it's a very complex heterogeneous multi-core system with different core types. And the second point is that our tool can also be seamlessly integrated into other tools or to work together with other tools, for example, test tools. So we provide an open and flexible interface to all the debugger functions, and test tools can use these functionalities to write test cases into the devices read the test results, and we provide also non-intrusive code coverage that helps you to improve the quality of your tests.
Thank you very much. Have a good show.
Thank you very much.